What's up? It's finally time to show you GaGOD's famous biscuits in a bowl. Now, to do this, you're going to need a mug. GaGOD mug at that. You're going to need a tea bag, but not any tea bag. You're going to need a Yorkshire tea bag. And then make your brew exactly how you like it. Mine, 2 sweetener, pre-boiled kettle. This is one that I boiled earlier. I'm going to need a little spoon to swirl this milk around. Now, make sure this is green semi-skimmed for you Americans out there. You're going to have to translate the colour of that. A nice action on the stir. Don't do it too fast, don't do it too slow. Oh, that's lovely. Now we're going to let that brew for a few seconds. Now, the main show. The main bit is digestives. We're going to get about 10, 11. Don't know how fat you're feeling in the morning, or how much hype you really need to give all the viewers out there, and how many winners you're going to get. So, right now we're up to 8. I'm feeling a positive day today. So we're going to go for a nice 11. Really jam that bowl. Save those for a few dunkers. Back to the tea. Ooh. Really make sure that's brewed up. Nobody likes a weak tea. Then, anything left to do is pour the tea on top. This bit gets a bit messy, so make sure to do it over the sink. And there it is. GaGOD's world famous biscuits in a bowl. Now to top this off, slam it down with some G Fuel.